Ready to supercharge your product development process? First, let's dive into backlog management. Think of your backlog as mission control for everything your product needs in Jira. You can easily create, prioritize, and refine user stories, features, and bugs, all within a single view. Each item is a ticket and includes details like descriptions, what it solves, and effort. Now, how do you manage your backlog? You can prioritize by dragging and dropping tickets to reflect their importance to the product's success. You can assign priority levels like high, medium, and low to each item. This is crucial for knowing what to work on first, avoiding feature creep, and ensuring the most important features evolve. Next up, sprint planning. Once you've prioritized your product backlog, it's time to create a sprint in Jira. Set a sprint duration, say 2 weeks, and select user stories from the backlog to fill your sprint. Then assign each user story to your team members. Finally, what about progress tracking? Use Jira to track progress, giving everyone visibility on the project's status as tasks move through the development pipeline. Update their status on the Kanban board. This is where you can easily see which tasks are to do, in progress, in review, and done, allowing you to promptly identify bottlenecks and roadblocks. This gives you insights to keep your product development on track. With Jira, you can develop a more efficient and productive product management process. Start building great products today.